Two supplements can look almost identical on the shelf, but actually be dramatically different. In this video, I'm going to show you how to read a supplement facts label, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to tell what you're really taking. I'm Maddie Moore, I'm a pharmacist, and one of the biggest reasons I see people waste money on supplements or take things that don't actually help is because they're relying on what's on the front of the bottle. Today, we're going to flip the bottle around and walk through the supplement facts panel step by step together. That way you know what to look for and what actually matters. This will help you know how to make more confident, evidence-based choices for yourself. So let's start at the beginning. So what is the supplement facts label and why does it matter? The supplement facts box is going to be that standardized box on the back of the label that lists what's in the supplement and how much you're getting per serving. This matters because supplements should not be chosen based on how convincing the front of the bottle looks, but most of the time they are. The front of the bottle is designed to sell the product, but the supplement facts label is actually what's going to verify what you're actually taking. Once you know where to look, the very first thing I always check is going to be the serving size. And I always check the serving size first because everything else on the label depends on that. The serving size is going to tell you how much of the product you actually have to consume to get what the front of the box is marketing. For example, that could be 1 capsule, 2 gummies, 3 tablets, 4 tablets, depending on the product. All the numbers that you see are going to be tied to that serving size, so it's very important. If you skip this step, it's going to be very easy to underdose, overdose, or accidentally take more than you intended because if you're stacking supplements. Once you know how much you're actually taking, the next thing people notice is the percent daily value, and this is where a lot of confusion happens. Percent daily value shows you how much of a general daily recommendation you're getting from one serving. It's meant to help you compare products, and it's not going to be a personalized target. So for some nutrients, 100% might make sense, but for others, it may be unnecessary, and it may even be more than you need. So higher does not automatically mean better. It's very important to look at. Even if that amount looks good on paper, that doesn't necessarily mean it's in a form that your body is going to use well. So that's where the form of the nutrient matters. The form tells you how the vitamin or mineral is chemically packaged, and that can affect the absorption rate, tolerance. Two supplements can list the exact same nutrient and have the exact same dose listed, but behave completely differently in the body because the forms are different. Right below the supplement facts panel is where you're going to see other ingredients listed. Other ingredients include capsule materials like binders, fillers, flavorings, and sweeteners, natural or artificial. Basically, everything needed to turn that supplement into a capsule, tablet, powder, or gummy. That's what's going to be those other ingredients. Now, these ingredients are not necessarily bad, but they can matter if you have specific sensitivities, digestive issues, or dietary preferences. So definitely important to look at. This section can also explain why two supplements with the same actives can feel very different when you take them. Let's talk about the front of the bottle. I'll turn it back around. This is where people tend to get misled. So a lot of bottles have claims like they support energy, support immunity, and other marketing claims. What they don't tell you is how strong that evidence is and whether or not the dose in the bottle matches what was studied. These claims can get your attention, but they shouldn't replace actually reading the supplement facts label. You don't need to memorize every detail. Just remember, whenever you're looking at the supplement facts panel, remember this order. Serving size first, then look at the ingredient amounts, the percent daily value, then look at the form and the transparency from the front to the back. The front of the bottle is the ad, and the supplement facts label is where the real information lives. If you want any help applying this to the supplements that you're already taking, that is exactly what I do in my supplement declutter reviews. And this is part of my supplement foundation series. So if this was helpful for you, you'll want to stick around and see what I post next. Have a great day.